The peacock. The peacock is the national bird of India. It is found in Asian countries. In India, it is found mainly in Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. It is a big and beautiful bird in size. The male peacock is nice to look at, but the peahen is rather bad looking. The peacock has beautiful feathers on its body. Its fan-like tail is very beautiful. The tail has different colors in it. The male peacock spreads its beautiful wings in rainy days and dances. It is a lovely sight. The peacock eats grains, snakes, frogs, insects, and so on. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel English for All with PBSL. Thank you so much.